Are you looking for a best fryer toaster oven? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the 4 best fryer toaster oven to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. 24 cooking functions and digital controls. 7 accessories included. Stainless steel finish. 26 QT capacity. Color: stainless steel. Capacity: 24.6 liters. Material: stainless steel. A versatile air fryer and multi-cooker combo elevates practically any meal, from air frying quick after-school snacks to roasting for large gatherings. Perfectly done toast. Oven turns off automatically when the toast countdown timer ends. No burnt toast. Indicator light is red when toasting, blue when timer ends and oven turns off. Place rack at indicated toast position for ideal results. Dual speed fan. Golden fried crisping at its finest with 360-degree superheated air circulation for your homemade cooking. Stainless steel exterior. A stainless steel exterior provides a beautiful aesthetic to any kitchen, taking your party hosting to the next level. And elegant French doors open with a single pull. Interior light allows you to monitor food.
Number 2. HotKing Dual Zone Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. 28 QT Extra Large, non-toxic stainless steel convection oven with French door. Countertop air fryer with window. Racks, rotisserie, dehydrator, ETL rated. Brand: HotKing. Color: silver. Capacity: 28 quarts. Special feature: automatic shutoff. Interior: 11.5D by 14YY by 7.8H. LED display. Rotisserie feature. Timer: automatic shutoff. Interior: 11.5D by 14YY by 7.8H. LED display. Rotisserie feature. Timer: automatic shutoff. Interior: 11.5D by 14YY by 7.8H. LED display. Rotisserie feature. Timer: automatic shutoff. Interior: 11.5D by 14YY by 7.8H. LED display. Rotisserie feature. Timer: automatic shutoff. Dual Zone Mastery with French doors. Featuring dual zone temperature control with sync function, this convection toaster oven air fryer lets you cook main dishes and sides at the same time. Air fry chicken while baking pizza, or roast vegetables while toasting bread, all with precision and flexibility. Premium stainless steel and non-toxic build. This durable countertop oven is free from PFAS, PFOA, Teflon, and BPA. Safe, healthy, and long-lasting, it offers peace of mind for the whole family, while elevating your kitchen with a sleek, modern design. 500 degrees Fahrenheit heat and 360 crisping. Take flavor further. With upper and lower heating elements plus dual convection fans, this air fryer toaster combo reaches up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for faster, crispier, and more even results. Enjoy golden fries, juicy rotisserie chicken, sizzling steak, and more, cooked to perfection every time.
Number 3. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. Dehydrator, convection oven, 17 touchscreen presets. Fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL 10-liter family size, auto shutoff, large easy view window, black. Special feature: programmable. Color: black. Capacity: 10 quarts. Material: stainless steel. Versatile countertop cooking. Air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast to crispy perfection in one convenient appliance. Cook faster. No need to preheat like traditional ovens. This all-in-one convection oven uses rapid air heating elements to cook fast, even, and crispy food. Healthy cooking made easy. Make healthy meals using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Simplified setup. Anyone can cook perfect meals in minutes with 17 preset options and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen. All-inclusive. Includes 3 airflow racks, stainless steel rotisserie oven spit with retrieval tool, and a drip tray. Family-sized meals. Make meals for the family with the extra-large 10-liter capacity. Also great for meal prepping large quantities of food. Monitor cooking progress. The interior lights and extra-large air fryer oven window allow you to check your food's cooking progress.
Number 4. SMIRLY 6-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. 27 QT convection oven countertop 1800-watt oven for toast, roast, bake, reheat, broil, warm, fits up to a 4-pound turkey, 12-inch pizza, 6 toast. Brand, SMIRLY. Color, blue. Capacity, 27 quarts. Special feature, large capacity, stain-resistant, temperature control, timer. Multifunctional 6-in-1 oven combo. The toaster oven's function knob offers 6 heating options: top heat, bottom heat, dual heat, and each paired with convection mode. Flexibly adapts to diverse cooking needs, including toasting, baking, roasting, air frying, grilling, warming, and reheating. Adjustable temperature and timer. The toaster oven's countertop features an infinite range temperature knob, allowing you to set any temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, along with a timer knob with audible alerts that can be set for any duration up to. This accommodates your needs for preparing various ingredients and flavors. 27 QT large oven dual tier baking. The large toaster oven accommodates trays measuring 13 by 12 inches, fits up to 12-inch pizzas, holds 8 slices of toast or 8 bagel halves on one rack, and can roast a 5-pound whole chicken, effortlessly handling meals for 2 to 4 people. The large capacity toaster ovens can bake 2 layers simultaneously, and the built-in light ensures clear visibility. Even cooking convection oven. Hot air convection design with a built-in fan circulates hot air 360 degrees throughout the cavity. Lined with dual top and bottom heating elements, it ensures more uniform heating. Even when baking on 2 layers simultaneously, temperatures remain consistent.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.